15 migrant workers in a group of 20 were killed after a cargo train ran over them while they were sleeping on the tracks in Maharashtra's Aurangabad this morning. 4 of the survivors, who are in shock, were being counselled by the police. The migrants were walking to Madhya Pradesh. Police say they were sleeping on the tracks because they probably presumed no trains were running due to the lockdown. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that he was extremely anguished at the deaths of 15 migrant workers who were run over early this morning by a goods train in Maharashtra's Aurangabad. He said the Railway Minister Piyush Goyal was closely monitoring the situation. Home Minister Amit Shah said that he was pained beyond words at the loss of lives due to a railway accident in Maharashtra and that the families of the victims will be given all possible assistance. In a video address this morning, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi sought transparency from the government on its strategy to exit the lockdown. He said we need to understand when they open the coronavirus lockdown, what will be the criteria for its opening. He also said there was a clash between the supply chain and red, orange and green zones that needs to be resolved. The Tamil Nadu government on Thursday opened retail liquor outlets across the state a day after announcing a 15% increase in excise duty on Indian-made foreign liquor. Even as the state witnesses a surge in COVID-19 cases, long queues appeared outside TASMAC liquor shops. Meanwhile, Delhi introduced e-token system for liquor shops in order to enforce social distancing after much overcrowding was seen in outlets since May the 3rd when curbs were eased. At 10:20 p.m. on Thursday night, the first batch of stranded Indians from Abu Dhabi landed in Kochi on an Air India Express flight. 177 passengers and 4 children were repatriated. Another flight landed in North Kerala's Kozhikode airport from Dubai with 177 passengers and 5 children. The first flight carrying Indian students who are stranded in Bangladesh's Dhaka will land in Srinagar on Friday. Meanwhile, INS Jalashwa has begun evacuation operations in Maldives' capital of Malé. The director of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences has warned that COVID-19 pandemic in the country may not have peaked yet. He told the media that according to modelling data and the way our cases are increasing, it is likely that peak can come in June and July, but there are many variables, he said, like the lockdown, and only with time will we know whether it was effective.